Hey, what's up guys, Satish here. I'm back with a little bit of break. Today I'm bringing you the unboxing of the all new Honor Band 5 which was launched recently. The Honor Band 5 is the successor of Honor Band 4, having same physical design but with few hardware and software changes. So in this video, let's quickly unbox and look at the Honor Band 5 in detail. Honor Band 5 is priced at Rs 2599 in India, available on Flipkart. You can alternatively buy via banggood.in as there is no shipping charge at all on orders above 1400, and you also earn BG points which can be used on your next orders. Find the links to buy in the description below. Inside the box, we get to see a warranty card and quick start guide. In fact, it's a multilingual guide. Further in the box, we get a container containing micro USB cable along with the charging dock. And at last we get to see the Honor Band 5. Honor Band 5 comes with sleek design profile. On front there is capacitive button to control the features, and on sides and back it is built using plastic. On back we get charging connectors and 6-axis accelerometer, sensor and infrared wearing detection sensor which helps to track and monitor activity more accurate than ever before. The straps are made of silicone with some texture on top, and the straps are flexible and seems durable as well. We have typical watch-like straps where you can hook the other end of the strap, which is more convenient. The mechanism to remove the strap is bit complicated as you have to pull the small clip and just pull out the strap, and you can do the same for the other strap. Honor Band 5 comes with curved AMOLED 0.9-inch touch display having 240x120 pixel resolution. In fact, it is a color display just like Honor Band 4. Good thing about this display apart from being color display is the brightness. The display is super bright which can be even controlled and set as per your requirement. Even the touch sensitivity and response is instant, which does feel good to operate. Honor Band 5 gets watch face on home which can be customized right on band itself. Next is steps counter for the days, and the tapping it can explore stats in detail. In order to go back, swipe screen from the left. Next comes the heart rate which lets you to measure on the go. Then comes a feature called Ho Om. I'm still figuring it out what it is, so let's skip this, and next we get workout having several workout modes. Next feature is more which gives you access to the timer, stopwatch, watch faces, find phone, brightness, screen on, and battery and system. Watch face comes with 3 different themed faces which can be set right from the band. Screen on feature lets the band know to turn off the display for next 5 minutes. I found it very useful if I have to explore the band in detail. And at last, messages shows recent messages which can be read from the band itself. Inside the band there is just 100 mAh battery which has 14 days of usage time and 20 days of standby time. I felt the battery could have been even more bigger considering competitors' band. The Honor Band 5 is 5 ATM enabled which is 50 meters waterproof. So you can definitely use this while swimming. In fact, while swimming it can also track and provide you the data. So this is all about the unboxing and quick look experience of Honor Band 5. This is an affordable band, and amount of features provided in the band can be a replacer to the smartwatch, as you can do most of the things what a smartwatch does. So that's it for today. Hope you liked the video. This is Satish. Have a nice day and stay awesome.